guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda. If you've never seen me before, if you are new to my channel, it's nice to meet you guys. I go ahead and film cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, keto videos, now that I've been doing keto, and some mommy related videos as well. If that is something that you are interested in, make sure you stick around and subscribe. If you are coming from Amber's channel, it is nice to meet you guys. Since you did hear me say Amber, I'm pretty sure if you saw my other cleaning video before, you know her. She is so sweet and dear. She is a fantastic person. She is just incredible. Her name is Amber. Her channel's name is Ambams Life, and she go ahead and uploads cleaning videos, mommy videos, DIY videos, cooking videos, pretty much everything kind of video guys. So if you are from my channel, make sure you go send her some love to her channel. Her video will be down in the description box down below. She'll be having the same kind of video that I'm having right now. And also, if you do go over there, make sure you subscribe and you like her video. That way, she'll know that y'all love her just as much as I do, guys. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so as you saw from the title, what we were doing is when you're on a budget and you need some cleaning products and you're going to go to Dollar Tree because, hey, everything's $1. Why not? These are just some products that I purchase that I use whenever I'm in a tight budget and I don't have money to be going to Target or Walmart or anywhere else and buying my favorite name brand products. Let me not have you wait any longer. Let's go ahead and share these products with you guys. So first off, I have my trusty Spick and Span, and this is actually the lavender scent. They do have the green one and the other scent, but I like the lavender scent. So I got me this one, and of course, like I said, $1, Spick and Span. It's a pretty trusty, it's a real trusty product because you don't just find this in the dollar store. You can find this at Kroger's, Walmart, H-E-B, and a lot of other stores that you go to will carry this brand, but for a lot more money. Next is, of course, Fabuloso, because it smells amazing. And so this one is the green apple scent. And if you have never seen this before, oh my gosh, guys, it smells amazing. They do have tons of different colors. And with the colors, of course, come different smells. This one just happens to be my favorite. And so I use this when I mop my floor. You can use it for all different kinds of things. It actually has some things on the back of here you can use it for as well, just like your Spick and Span does. So, and then I also got not just any size, but a large size Ajax. And this, of course, is with bleach. And so what I use this for, again, if I'm in a tight pinch when it comes to cleaning products, is if you know Ajax, you know you can use this on pretty much almost anything. You can clean your tub with it, your toilet with it, your sink with it. And this is $1, of course. So I know they do sell this at a smaller size at your regular grocery store, but to usually get it in this size, it's usually going to cost you more than $1. And why spend more than $1 when you can just pay $1? Next, of course, because you'll need dishwashing soap. So this is from Ajax, and it is, of course, their citrus one. I know I used to live off of this one because, we at one point in time didn't have the kind of finances that we have right now. And this was like my ride or die. I gotta wash my dishes. This is what I bought. Everything I'm showing you guys are things that I use, that I recommend others to use, that, it's just, these are really great products that you don't have to go and spend an arm and a leg to get. So moving on, of course, we have our generic Febreze, but it still is the same thing, works about the same amount of time. So I actually use this again on everything. This one technically is called Extra Strength Fabric Refreshener from the Home Store. So again, it's just Febreze with a generic name. I'll use this on my couches, in my car, my beds, anything that you can't put in a washer, you can use your handy dandy off-brand Febreze on. And then we also have this, and these are, of course, disinfecting wipes. And anyone knows that has ever used these, how amazing these are. Whether you're getting the dollar store brand, or you're going to go buy, Lysol brand, or Up and Up brand, H-E-B brand, wherever you go shopping at, Walmart brand, they're all the same thing. This, has the same amount in here as the other ones I've ever gotten. You know, it has all the same kind of thing, kills the same amount of bacteria. So again, why spend more than $1 when I can spend $1 and not have to worry about going and, you know, breaking my bank account buying cleaning products. The last thing I do have, I'm actually going to tell you now, guys, I already had this, so don't tell Amber because we were supposed to buy everything new. But I got this at the dollar store, and these are just pretty much, I use it on my Febreze, the wand, not the wand, the Febreze wannabe mop, pretty much that's with, that usually the ones you buy at the store, these already have like liquid on them, but these don't. These are just your completely clean, like there's nothing on this. It comes with 20 of them. They're dry floor cloths. So what I'll do if there's a mess on the floor, either I'll, you know, spray it with some of this, wipe it up, spray a little more, put this on the broom, and just clean up the floor with this so that it makes it smell good. Sometimes I'll even put some of this on the floor and put this on it too. It all just depends. So I mean, just look at this, guys. I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 products right here, and these are just like your basic go-to products that you can use in your home. I mean, technically, this is like an extra. It's not even a mandatory, I have to have you. I know there was a couple of products that I didn't get that they do sell. So, you know, if you are in need of detergent, a fabric softener, the dryer sheets, they sell all that kind of stuff. And it's not just these brands that they have at I think I have 2 Dollar Trees by me, and they have other brands, not just these. So don't feel like, oh, okay, if I go to Dollar Tree, I have to get that brand. No, there is multitudes of different brands, especially when it comes to, you know, to mop your floor, for your, you know, antibacterial spray that you're here. I'm sorry, the multi-surface, because I forgot what things are called. You know, same thing when it comes to your dish soap, you know, all this stuff. And then with these two guys, they don't just sell it like this. They do also sell it with the ones that already have that little wetness at the bottom, so that way you don't have to spray your floor with anything else. So they have all these kind of products at your Dollar Tree, guys. So don't think just because you need cleaning products, you have to go spend an arm and a leg, because think about it. If you are ever having to move out of a place, you're not going to want to go use your expensive cleaning products to do it. Or if you're moving in somewhere new, you're not going to want to do that either. You're going to want to just go to your local dollar store, get your basic cleaning products you need. I mean, come on, guys. They literally have everything at Dollar Tree that you could possibly need to clean your house, clean yourself, you know, clean your kids. They have everything in there. Even cleaning your husband is in there. They have body soap. They have shampoo, conditioner. They have everything at Dollar Tree, guys. But make sure you check out the description box down below. Amber's channel name will be in there. Go check out her video, guys. Send her some love. Make sure that you let her know that I sent you, because again, she is amazing. She's a real down-to-earth girl. She, you know, she has her boyfriend, she has her babies, and she's just very talented and very amazing, and I promise you will love her. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.